In this video, I will tell you what settings to apply for a specific aspect. If you want a long-form video shortcut, how much you do enough because that they want to discuss it. So here, I have imported a video. I'll drag it and drop it here on the timeline. So I simply dropped it. And here, you need to click this screen option and click on Change Project Aspect Ratio. Here, you need to select the aspect ratio. If you're doing it for Instagram, or if you're doing it for YouTube Shorts, then select this. We simply selected YouTube Shorts and clicked OK. Now from here, we won't drag it. Here, we'll grab it from the corner and stretch it and adjust it over the entire video. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, like and share the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon.